Hello there everyone. Twitter took the world by storm because of its simplicity. Its fast-paced format and character limit makes it perfect for sharing news, articles, opinions, and questions. Because of this, it has also become the perfect platform for building a very qualified audience that will be easy to convert into a repeat customer base once it is engaged. Today we are going to show you how to create the perfect Twitter marketing post to move your Twitter followers down your conversion funnel fast. Getting started, let's start off this lesson by creating a tweet like you normally would. Log in to the Twitter account that you use for your business and click on the tweet button. There are two types of marketing tweets that you can create to promote your business: engagement tweets and promotional tweets. Engagement tweets are intended to generate engagement and conversations with your audience. Promotional tweets are intended to generate visits to a product page. Promotional tweets are used to generate product consideration as well as sales. Composing an engagement tweet. Let's compose an engagement tweet first. Engagement tweets have a very definite structure that you can vary from time to time. The most common type of engagement tweet opens with a statement or comment and ends with a question. Start your tweet with a comment, statement or opinion about a topic that your target audience loves. This will help you spark participation in the comment section. This will also help you generate likes and retweets. Much of the awareness that you generate comes from endorsements by other accounts, such as when users like or retweet your tweets. Because of this, you need to stand out by using a keyword or popular search term in your niche, or by addressing members of your target audience. By inserting a recognizable keyword or label on their timelines, you'll be able to get the attention of users that don't follow you yet. Now follow up this comment with a question that is related to the comment in the tweet. This will further encourage users to participate. You can follow up with a link to a page with content related to your comment in question. This can be a link to one of your content pages, or a link to a curated article or video. As you can see in our example, we have posted a link to an article on our business website. Make sure to add a call to action to invite users to visit the URL, and to use shortened versions of your URLs. You can shorten your URLs on bit.ly by following the steps provided in Lesson 2. The idea is to share content that your target audience will find entertaining or helpful. This will help you to establish authority and to get new followers that will start interacting with your tweets and clicking on your links. Let's now add hashtags. Hashtags are vastly used on Twitter to increase discoverability on search and on the trending topics feed. We recommend you to add up to 3 hashtags. Target only keywords and search terms that are closely related to your tweet. Now you have to add an image, video, or GIF to your post to make it more visual. Click on the Add Photos or Video, or on the Add a GIF button. Locate and upload your media from your computer. Now click on Tweet to publish your marketing tweet. You can create variations of this type of tweet by omitting the statement, or by omitting the question. When you create engagement tweets to ask questions to your audience, you have to ask relevant questions about your audience pain points, or the problems that they face. Composing a promotional tweet. Let's now create a promotional tweet. The goal of promotional tweets is to generate 2 possible actions: visits to a product page and sales. Promotional tweets are straightforward and simple because they only include a call to action encouraging users to check a promotion on a destination URL. Click on the tweet button to get started. Now type a brief description of the offer that you'll promote. In this example, we'll promote an affiliate offer from the Amazon Marketplace, so we will start with the name of the product, followed by a product keyword, followed by a description of the offer, which in this case is a discount. Now we'll follow with a call to action to encourage users to check the offer, then we'll insert the affiliate product URL. You have to add an image, video, or GIF related to the offer in the promotional tweet. Click on the Add Photos or Videos button or on the Add a GIF button to upload media to your tweet. You can click on Tweet when you are finished composing your promotional tweet. Please note that promotional tweets work best when users are already engaged with your account. And although there are accounts that only post promotional tweets, our recommendation is to post 80% engagement tweets and 20% promotional tweets. You can create a Twitter marketing calendar to set up your own schedule. Please like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.